welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand for this one, the stripped heaters. And the unit's overall size is like take a measurement first. Entirely about like a 36 inches in the length. And the overall height is about like 6 inches. And the deep about like a 2.5 inches. So as we can see the units, they have a toggle controls right here. And also the LED lights to notify you it's turned on or not. When you flip over, you will see the ETL sanitation stickers on the units. And the units also using only about like 850 watts. For this standard plugs, regular standard 110 powers can support it. This will be the all information about our products. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.